Welcome to DrewTech Hub. If you're new here, special welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to edit your whiteboard on the Webex app. So on whiteboards, you could create new whiteboard or you can edit a whiteboard that you're already editing. Just open that. And then the floating panel on the left-hand side will show you the tools that the whiteboard feature can give you to customize whatever ideas that you want to share on your whiteboard. So the pen tool has two types. Your normal pen, where it just follows how you would move your mouse, and a magic pen that snaps onto itself and forms whatever shape or size that you would want to put in. The pen tool has three different pen sizes: a small pen size for finer writing, a medium, and a large pen size for a bolder stroke. The pen also has different colors that you can choose from, which you can pick to your heart's desire. The eraser option erases one full stroke that you do. It can also erase multiple items on your whiteboard. The laser pointer is something that you can customize based on color. It is a disappearing line that shows up the way you would move your cursor, would disappear in a few seconds, just like what a normal laser pointer would be. You can insert shapes, you can insert singular text, you can insert sticky notes that you can customize the color to. You could also duplicate, copy, edit the way that it is oriented. If you want it more towards or on the front of your whiteboard, then you could do so. If you want to bring it back, then you can send it backward or send it to the farthest part of the whiteboard. You could also insert images onto your whiteboard, which you could just click using images. And you can go to the pictures that you have on your computer and then attach it to the whiteboard itself. You can also add emojis to decorate the whiteboard that you have. You can undo or redo any changes that you've made. And you can also share your whiteboard by copying a link or adding the email address of the people you want to collaborate with. And that's it. Is your whiteboard feature on Webex